This morning is like different from every morning, especially seeing our little David playing today this morning. Helped his team with a 12 points win to defeat Australia, and we were screaming our lungs out at home cheering for him. And yet at the same time we were so emotional, because most of the time we just seeing him on television as a halfback, but thank the coaches for having faith in him to also kick some penalties and conversion for today's game in France. Actually, we just had a chat before the game. I stayed up late that night because I heard in the news they'll be naming the squad at 12 midnight Fiji time. So I heard some few changes will be made for, and I have a feeling that one of them will be my little David. See me. As soon as I heard the news that he was the first lineup as a halfback, it was very emotional for me. I called him up, and I was lucky enough, as he got a very busy schedule. He answered my call. I was broken. I stopped my tears because I was thanking him for helping his team defeat England in Twickenham, for scoring the last try, and I was encouraging him to never give up, always move forward. And his words for me was, "Mommy, when I go out to play, make sure you cheer for me so I can hear your voice from France. I only wish that France is just a few miles away so I can go just to cheer for him on the sidelines." This win today, it really boosts us and our family, and we just thank the Lord Almighty for His will and the strength and the talent of rugby that He was able to do that today.